Hi there, bestie. Happy autumnal equinox, which technically was Tuesday and this is Wednesday, but yesterday was the first day of fall and these nails were done on the first day of fall. So they are going to be our first day of fall nails. And that was a lot of saying the first day of fall. So what we're doing here is just painting this one black. I just wanted one black nail. Why not? And let me tell you, not only are these inspired by fall, my granddaughter has a set done by her nail artist in Las Vegas. I want to say it's Cherry Nails, but I'll have her linked in the description. And these are not an exact replica by any stretch. It's just, I took the flavor, the fall flavor. She has a lot of black and white. We're going to have some black and white. The only thing that's not going to be black and white are the leaves and these nail beds that we are creating for our French nails. So we're going to do 2 French, 2 ombre, white and black ombre, and the 1 black nail. And you'll see what we're going to do with all of those. Now on the French, we are creating just this black shadow line because I just really like that look when it's got that little bit of darkness against the longer nail bed, because we did do, I wouldn't call it an extreme nail bed, but we did lengthen it out a tiny bit just to give that nice elongated look. If you're going to do a French, in my mind, might as well utilize it to make your nail look longer and slimmer, and that's the look that I like. Now we're going to go in and create an ombre. Once I get the polish down, I do speed this ombre up really fast, guys, because it took me a while to get it right. I have not really done a lot of white, black ombreing on the channel for a reason. There is seriously a learning curve if you're going to do a black-white ombre. You are going to have to let me know in the comment section, do you think I pulled it off? Because I think I did okay, but it still needs work. There are 2 in here. I'm going to show both coats of this particular one, but I am not going to show both nails because, again, ombres take a really long time if you're doing them right, and you don't want to see me do that twice, which would actually be 4 times because you have to do it in 2 coats. So there you go. And here we are, just flicking. And now I'm going to add a little extra black because I want it to be black at the very, very tip. But this is our first coat, so here's the thing. You're just really laying down that base. You cannot sweat it too much at this stage. You don't want it to be a mess, right? But you do want to give yourself a little room to know you're going to add more. And I'm just adding some fresh polish here, our second coat, and we are going to go ahead and just go crazy again with the flick. And here's one little tip that I will say. Clean your brush often. It gets real muddied up and you are not going to get a nice clean ombre if your brush is completely the blend, right? You want to clean it and then be able to keep that blend going. So clean your brush often. It really makes a big difference. And you can see we are really starting to get somewhere, but I'm cleaning my brush off a lot. And then we are just going back in. And especially when you're doing a light color like this, I think it doesn't hurt to come in and just like I'm doing here and just smoothing out the color again and then giving it just a little bit more ombre before you call it quits. Just to clean up that white part. Or light, whatever light color you're doing, like it could be pink or green or whatever. Whatever the lighter color is, you really just want to have more of a clean look where it's no longer ombre, right? Now on the Frenchies, we're doing glitter tips. I don't know why. We could have done whatever. We could have done whatever, but I'm going to put glitter on 2 other nails. I just wanted a really glittery set. Very, very glittery. And I chose the holographic gold and the holographic rose gold. So we have 2 different flavors of glitter. This set is a lot, you guys. I'm not going to lie. It's a lot, and it definitely would not be for everyone. But you could take any one of these nails and make it an accent nail, or do an all black set with just the 2 French nails, which we're not even done with them yet, guys. But you saw the picture on the way in. You know what you're in for. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. It was really smoky here again today, and ow. Let me just say ow. Excuse me again. Sorry, I just needed to clear my throat because my voice is gonna go. So now we're just swooshing. We're just swooshing some on the black. We are also going to swoosh on the ombre that you didn't see me do, which was the pinky ombre. But like I said, it was the exact same process. You don't want to see that twice. Oh, excuse me, telling you my voice. My voice does not like smoky air. And we are coming in with the glitter on this one as well. I do want to caution you. I used all Model 1's top coat and base coat on this. And when I came in with the base coat on this one and the black one, because there's all that glitter, I was pretty generous, right, with it. I wouldn't say I used it exactly like Builder in the Bottle, but I did give it a nice, juicy base coat. And it very much yellows. So if you are working with that on a white nail or anything that you don't want to be yellowed, I would be careful and just do a thin coat. Don't try to use it thick like that. Just pick a different one because it's very yellow. So that kind of bummed me out a little, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Now we're stamping. We're stamping, and we are using the technique where you apply the pigments to the actual stamper and then stamp on polish. And this is actual Born Pretty stamping polish. And then it will stamp with that look of the chrome. So that's one of my favorite stamping techniques. And I have really pretty colors that are fall colors for that. And I just thought it would look really pretty. And here is the top coat. We're going to go ahead and top coat this glittery awesomeness. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this set. Like I said, I know it's a lot. It's not for everyone. I think that's my favorite nail, the middle finger. Oh, that would be a pretty finger to give the middle finger with too, right? We're going to cure these up and bam, there's the finished set, you guys. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section. Which one is your favorite? Would you break these down and use them as accent nails, or would you do the whole set? Thanks so much for coming by. We will see you next time. Mwah! Bye.